Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I'm going to show you another accurate strategy in TradingView. And remember, if you're a beginner, having a trade manager to automatically take care of challenges like managing lot sizes and keeping you from overtrading and losing money can be a huge bonus for you. And we have just what you need with our trade management software called Market Keys. And also, if you're new and just don't know what to trade or when to trade, we have the perfect solution for you with our uGenesys Trend software, which gives you daily alerts for the most profitable trading opportunities. To learn more about these two products and their amazing benefits, you can click on the link in the description. And we're going to start off with a gold chart with a 5-minute time frame. Here it is. Let's add it to our chart. And this is what it looks like. We see we have this table right here, but we want to get rid of this. So let's go to settings and style, and let's just uncheck this box here that says tables, and then hit OK. There we go. So we can see this indicator has two lines here, a green line and a red line. So using this indicator, whenever we see the green line is above the red line, then we know that we're in the uptrend and we can take buy positions at that time. And whenever the red line is above the green line, then we know that we're in the downtrend, and that's when we can enter into selling positions. Okay, so we're just going to look out for those sections where the lines cross each other, right? And when the green is on top and when the red is on top. All right, next we're going to add the second indicator. So let's go ahead and type in range filter, and this is the one we want here, range filter, buy and sell, 5-minute GUI cross version. Let's add this. And with this indicator, we only need the buy and sell signals. Okay, so let's go ahead and make some changes here. We'll go to settings and style, and let's uncheck all of these boxes here and only leave the buy and sell boxes checked. Okay, and we can leave these two boxes here as well, and let's click OK. Now let's take a look at our chart. So we can see this section here. We have the green line above the red line indicating the uptrend, and you also see the price action is above that green line there. And here we've got a buy signal in this case at this candle. So we can see this is a very good signal here. And here's another section where the red line is above the green line, and we can see the market going into a downtrend. So we know that we can take a sell position. So here we have a sell signal at this point. And here's another section of the market where we're entering into the downtrend. We can see that the red line is above the green line, and we've got our sell signal here. Okay, so we know this is a very accurate signal. And here's another section of the market where the green line is above the red line, and we've got a buy signal here as well. And we can see the market going into an uptrend. Okay, so this is another great signal here, guys. Also, let's take a look at the Euro USD chart. Here we see we have a section where the green line is above the red line, and we've also got a buy signal here. And here you can see the market going upwards. So this is another good signal here in this case. Here's another great signal here, guys. We see the red line above the green line. Here the market is going downwards, and we've got a sell signal that we could take here. So you can see this is a very accurate setup here, guys, and hopefully it can give you some profitable trades. Okay, so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.